When the frost bites the snow and Christmas comes around.
Hey guys, and welcome back to LEGO Star Wars Ultimate Candyland, guys, and today we are on day number 7, so let's get it open. And so there we go guys, that is today's build. It appears to be Chewbacca eating some chicken on a fire. That's a pretty interesting build, very unique. You don't see these fires before, but yeah, it's a pretty good build guys. I like the new Chewbacca models, they do look so clean, so nice, and yeah, they are pretty cool. I assume this is from the scene in Last Jedi where Chewbacca's eating the porgs, but it's a pretty good build, especially when you compare it to yesterday's, which was this. This is definitely one of the better builds we got this year. So guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow.